It's no longer in news how the crypto world has evolved from manual trading to using AI to robot in order to see that people get the best of their crypto when trading or investing in whatever they want. All of these things are made possible because of the way crypto is becoming more and more better each day, making things more easier for individuals to start making money for themselves. Gradually, manual trading is becoming a thing of the past because there are a lot of AI tools that are now available, making things more easier for people in order for them to invest in their crypto or use their crypto fund to make more money for themselves and all of that. And the good news is there are platforms that have made all of these things available and more easy. And one of the platforms is known as TAFABOT. If you are hearing this for the first time, TAFABOT is a platform that gives you an opportunity for you to use the spot boat, to use the future boat, to use the arbitrage boat, and even the signal provider, in which they have been able to do in making things easier for everyone who is doing crypto or trading in crypto. All of these platforms in which you see that are doing all these arbitrage platform, many of them use this particular platform known as TAFABOT. And once you use this boat, it has an AI tool that enable or make things work easier and faster and make you money for yourself, you without doing anything. All you just need to do is to subscribe to this particular boat or arbitrage or sports boat in order for it to start milking money for you, and you start getting a lot of fun for yourself. But before you go into all of these things, you need to learn how it works, know what to do with it in order for you to get started. TAFABOT have been able to make things easier and better because it's a platform that have 4-in-1 boat together in order for you to start milking or making more money for yourself. If you are new, all I will say is to use the link in the description because this platform is just 2 months old. It's just coming out and they're launching a lot of things. In fact, there are a lot of companies that are now partnership with them. One thing you need to understand right now is that this AI tool or artificial intelligence in which you are seeing right here with this TAFABOT is now available in over 175 countries. And if you look at the number of traders right now, you will see that it is over 19,606 traders who are using this particular platform, and you can see the trading volume in which a lot of people are making money from it. This means that since this is new, and if you are seeing this for the first time, you can jump into this particular platform and become part of the individual who will first start making a lot of money from it. And one way I would recommend for you to make money for yourself is for you to use the referral process or the referral program in which is available for you in order for you to refer individuals to start making use of this particular platform, and you earn commission from it. In fact, many individuals are becoming millionaires, billionaires from just referring individuals from different platforms. If you remember how BINANCE started, how KuCoin started, all of these platforms required or needed individuals to promote their company or promote their brand and earn commission from it. The same way with this TAFABOT, all you just need to do is to first of all use the link in the description, in which will allow you to be able to sign up on this particular platform. So once you have been able to click the link in the description, you will bring you to this particular area here where you will see the different things you need to do in order for you to set up your account and start making money for yourself. All you just need to do is put your username, put your email, put your country, select your country, wherever country you are, put in your password, set it up, and then you will see a referral link in which is already there. You must use a referral link in order for you to sign up. Without this referral link, you can't be able to sign up. All you just need to do is to use this particular referral link and then sign up by clicking the link in the description. The first link in the description, it will bring you to this very home page. And once you have been able to do this and verify your email and all of that, all you just need to do is to go to Google Play Store, download the TAFABOT app, in which after you must have downloaded it, then log in. It will bring you to this very next page or this particular home page where you will see your dashboard and all of that. I will always recommend for now, before you subscribe, you can decide to use the referral program, in which you can be able to get reward or income from individuals who have been able to sign using your referral link or program. If you look at the leadership board here, you will see individuals who are making lots of money from this particular platform. Just look at all of these individuals. They are individuals who just referred individuals to join this particular platform, and they are making millions of dollars just because they referred these individuals. All you just need to do is to do the same by earning from this particular platform. Subscribe to it. If you go to your account section, set up your profile effectively, then start referring individuals, and you will start making a lot of money for yourself. If you click on this exchange aspect here, you will see the different exchanges in which will soon be connected to this particular platform. As you can see here, you will see that very soon Binance will be connected, and once Binance is connected to this platform, you will see that this will be able to go a long way. Likewise, KuCoin, Batarags, Bybit, and Hobby, all of these platforms will be made available or will be connected. All you just need to do for now is for you to start referring individuals, to give you opportunity to trade with them, is to give you opportunity to earn commission, just referring individuals to know. Right now they are looking for publicity. All you just need to do is to sign up, share your referral link. You can decide to write an article about this particular platform and let a lot of individuals know about this platform and all of that. This is an AI tool that gives you opportunity to trade at ease. You don't need to do any manual trading. All you just need to do is to allow the bot or allow the system to run all the transactions, and then you earn your commission at your own end. So this is an initial call given to everyone right now to use this particular platform in order to make a lot of profit for yourself. If you need me to explain more in detail about this platform again, telling you how to be able to subscribe to it, how to use the different exchanges that will be made available as soon as possible, and how to get your trials and everything done, all you just need to do is to go to the comment section, tell me I need this particular video, I would like to see more about, or you explaining more about this particular platform, so that we can be able to start earning from it. If you love this video, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification, and don't forget to share so that more people can be able to know more about this. See you on my next video. Love you all. Peace.